I want to show you something. Alright, check it guys. I want to show you how to make those look like that. That isn't cleaned up or anything, but I want to show you how to do a decent sculpted stitch. Real easy. It's better to do actual stitches because it looks more realistic because it is real. But some masks just need that look for that thick staple or stitch. So I'm going to show you. Basically, you worm your clay like this, and you stick it. This is too small. You stick it over whatever's skin is being stitched. So if it's a little longer, that's fine. Then you take a nice sharp edge tool or something like that, and you cut, and it's fine if it's kind of squared off, it's fine, but you cut the length off just slightly past that area being stitched. Then then you take your finger and you kind of push down the ends so it's got more of this rounded look like this. Okay, so you want it to just have a slight bell curve, not real drastic, just enough to look like it's going in, coming out, and going back in. And then I take this little sculpting tool with a little tiny ball in. There's multiple sizes, and let's see if I can get this without. And then this is what I do. I outline with tiny little dots where this is going in, the stitches, or the staple, whatever it might be. And as I'm doing that, the edge of this is maybe gently getting pushed in a little bit further. It looks like it's going in. And then I just outline it. Get that excess out of there. Now you can add stretched wrinkles in the skin to make it look like the staple's being pulled or pulling something together, but that is just a basic idea. And then after you do that part, then you can touch it up with your finger a little bit more. Hang on, son. Use an angled tool like this, kind of blend it almost like you would some wrinkles. Get it in that fake hole, and very softly go back with a brush, touch it up, smooth it out, and that's how we got these cool little staples. It's kind of like this curved look right there, which is what we want. We want it to look like it comes out of the skin, up and back in. Then what I do, I take this fine tip little ball tool and just kind of stipple around it. Now, I'm not saying this is the best way or the only right way. There's many ways to skin a cat, but this is how I do it. And once I stipple it a little bit, I hold this at an angle this way with the curve of the staple or stitch so that it continues to smooth out that area to make it look like it's going into the skin. And where are we at here? And then do the Do the other side. Now this is without touching it up or going over with like the finishing sponge or anything like that. Continue to push that down, the little edge, so it looks like it's coming out, up, and back in. And what I'm outlining here is just the tip of that stitch. Once that gets cleaned up with a nice fine bristle brush with some water or alcohol and the finishing sponge, it'll look pretty cool.